Hey guys, I'm Codemeister, and it's time to code. But wait, if you guys are new to C++, I suggest that you guys go to C++ tutorial number 1 to get used to the coding editor that we are using, code blocks, and understanding the C++ program. But now, today we'll be working with integers and doubles. Integers or doubles are two different data types that hold numbers. Let's get to it. Okay, so what is an integer? Well, an integer is a data type that can hold one whole number, no decimals. To create an integer, all we have to do is type int, give it a name, and give it a value. I will give mine a value of 100. Now, to print this out on the screen, all you simply have to do is type cout and the name. Great. Don't forget to put a semicolon after every line of code. If we run, you'll see it'll print out 100. That's great. But an integer can't hold decimals. If we try, we'll give it a value of 100.25. It still won't print out the decimal. There's an easy fix to this. We can create a different data type called double. Now, a double is a data type that can hold decimals and whole numbers. For example, I'll give a name of number, and we'll get a value of 100.25. Great. $100.25. That's great. That'll be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.